Hey everybody, we are on the ferry, and this is the 3-story ferry. Look how far down it is, way down there, like 30 feet. And that's a 2-story ferry there. Of course, it's got 3 floors because one is the captain's level, and that's got 2 floors. We're up a little higher than that one there. But you notice, you've heard of the Bermuda Triangle. Well, this, my friends, is the Bantayan Triangle. There's a lot of UFO sightings here, and we even have evidence of UFOs, because no boat is as high as this boat. And look at that. That, my friends, is where a UFO hit this thing. It had to be, because there is no other boat that's that tall. It's this tall. So UFOs are flying low, trying to keep below the radar. You know that. We all know that. And look at that. I mean, it ripped all this out. And this is almost 1-inch iron rod. Look at that UFO. You know, see another UFO incident right over here. You think that one was flying low? We're on the 3rd floor. This one hit a 2nd floor. He was one of his friends was flying really low. I'll take off my glasses so I can zoom in. See that right there? See it? Right in the center? Yep. UFO damage. We never find them because they probably hit that, and if they can't, survive, they drop in the ocean, and we never find them. About 600 feet deep out there, and that's why you don't see UFOs. They don't know how to drive at night. They don't have headlights, and they run into the ferries, especially the tall ones, because the little boats, they don't hit them because they're down on the surface. You can see them, they're down there. But anyway, just so you know, we do have UFOs in the Bantayan Triangle. So when you come here, just brush up on your alien languages, because you may meet one face to face. And we'll be back with more proof of UFOs in the Bantayan Triangle. Bye for now.